Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, cloze test with clues 1 to 5. Okay, so this is your fifth class of your annual examinations. Let's see class 6 subject English first paper topic cloze test with clue part 1 term annual lecture 5 number of SW 3. At the end of the class I will give SW 3. Teacher name Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and messenger. So my dear students, let's start the class. So this is the first class of cloze test with clues, annual term lecture 5. So this is the first class of cloze test with clues. So fill in each gap with a suitable word from the box. You know, 10 fill in the gaps is given and 10 words also given in the box. We will have to solve. Okay, let's read the sentences and solve the cloze test with clues. First, read the word happened. Furious means angry, and worked, happen means also worked. Death, spoil. Spoil means destroy, destruct. Execution means death. Wit, knowing, you know. Declare means declare. Wretch, unpleasant. So let's start the class. Once upon a time there was a king who was very fond of dash his future from the astrologers. Okay, at the time of doing this you have to follow these. Sometimes you do, what you do, you read the first sentence and you stick to number 1. This is not the rule. You have to read the whole questions again and again. If you can answer the question number A, write this. D, write this, and cut the boxes the answer. Then the option will decrease. Okay. So number 1. Once upon a time there was a king who was very fond of dash his future from the astrologers. So we will ask the fill in the gaps what he was fond of. We know after preposition if any verb comes we add ing of the verb. So he was very fond of only one word, ing. So knowing his future from the astrologers. So number A answer will be knowing. Okay. Next number. A famous astrologer dashed to stop at his capital on his way to Benares. So if a passage starts with once, one day long ago, the whole tense of the passage will be past indefinite tense. That's why a famous astrologer dashed to stop at his capital on his way to Benares. So number B answer will be happened to stop. Number B, happened. Next one, the king called on him to know about his future, and the astrologer told something dash. So the astrologer told something unpleasant. That's why the king became furious. Number C, unpleasant. At this, the king got dash and condemned him to dash. So at this, the king got furious. Number D, the king got furious and condemned him to death. Number E, death. Okay, saying men like you should not live to dash the peace of the world. So men like you should not live to, after to comes the verb, to spoil the peace of the world. Number A answer will be spoil. But another thought had crossed his mind before the astrologer was removed for execution. E-X-E-C-U-T-I-O-N. Okay. Remove for executions. How long will you live? Asked the king. With ready wit, ready wit. With ready, its number will be wit, ready wit. The astrologer said, the stars dash that I will die only a week before your death. I shall wait to receive your majesty where you are sending me. So, if a quotation mark come in any sentence or passages, within the quotation mark, the present tense or future tense will be used. Though this passage is past tense, we will use here present tense because it is the middle of the quotation. So the stars declared that I will die only a week before your death. I shall wait to receive your majesty where you are sending me. At this, the king's tongue fell like a dead man and shouted, drive this dash away, let him not come here again. So the answer will be only one word remaining, wretch. Drive this wretch away, devil away. Okay, so we will move to number 2. Fill in his gap with a suitable word from the box. Let's read the words. Becomes, eager, flooded, want, remain, joyous, invited, favorite, festive, elders. Children are very fond of festivals. They become very dash on a day of festivals. After very will come the adjective or adverb. So they became very dash on a day of festivals. They became very joyous. Joyous. They became very joyous on a day of festival. If it is their birthday, their joys become over dash. So their joys become over flooded. If this is their birthday, their joys become over flooded. They became very dash to have wishes from their beloved persons. Again they became very eager. Number C, eager. This is the adjective. They became very eager to have wishes from their beloved persons. The whole day they dash to spend times in joy. So the whole day they want. Number D, they want to spend times in joy. Usually a child on his birthday gets up early and tries to dash close to their parents. Again to, and the verb comes to dash close. To dash what? To remain close. Number E, remain. Eat dash a nice day if it is presented anything very dash to eat. So eat dash after eat is or is after the verb. It becomes a nice day if it is presented anything very dash to eat. Very special to eat, but no special in the box. Very favorite to eat. Favorite. This is E. Very favorite to eat. Children also want to have their friends dash to their house on a festival. Children want to have their friends invited. You also invited your friends on the day of birthday, invited to their house on a festival. They expected to have party. Their joys give pleasures to their dash. Their joys good pleasures to their elders. We should try to keep the children always in a dash mind. As mind is a noun, so before mind the adjective will come. So festive mind. Okay, festive. So that's all today my lectures. So your homework very important. Homework 3, submit on Sunday. Cloze test with clues 3 and 4. Only answer. You will write only the answer of this 3 and 4. Okay, let me read the questions and the passages. Number 3, I am reading number 3. I am not pointing so that you can understand very clearly. Number 3, spelling, neglect, alphabetically, find, syllabus, noun, life, synonyms, picture, friends. So dictionaries are very important books in the dash of our people. A dictionary lists the words in a language dash so that the reader may dash them easily. A dictionary entry gives us the accepted dash of a word, its division into dash, its pronunciation, its origins and its meaning. Sometimes a dictionary also provides dash or opposite of a word. In addition, if the word is a dash that describes a visible thing, the dictionary may provide a dash of it. Dictionaries of the past, present and future can become your teachers, and good dash, don't dash them. This is number 3. Number 4, let's read me number 4. Fill in his gap with a suitable word from the box. Worst, the word in the box, worst, breed, groan, needs, prevent, produce, protect, provide, take, give. So let me read. Trees are very useful to humans. They dash the rich topsoil from being dashed away by rainwater and floods. You can see trees being dashed along mountain slopes, on road slides, in parks and gardens. Trees give us shade. They dash life to a place with their colorful flowers, beautiful leaves, fruits and thick trunks. They dash shelters for birds and animals. They give us timber, medicines, paper, gum and many other useful things. They dash in carbon dioxide and dash oxygen. As you know by now, man dash oxygen to dash and live. Trees are our best friends. We should dash them and plant more trees around us. So that's all my class today. Do your assign SW at home. You know your SW is very important because we are giving city, SB and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW. You can submit your SW copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. We will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.